guys, welcome to my channel. It is Agota here. I'm here in Vienna. I came with my pantomime team to perform here, and we are also looking around in the city. So in this video it is going to be a touristy video, just walking around the city, exploring. This is my second video about Austria. We came for 2 days. So if you haven't seen my previous video, then after you are done watching this one, you can go and see that too. That's the team, by the way, who I came with. So before we continue, please give this a like and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, and let me know in the comments that you are watching. So I hope you are going to enjoy. Let's go to the video. Arrived to the city center, and with the others we were just discussing. It's not really different than my city, Budapest. The architecture style and everything is pretty similar, just the language is different. Like, people speak German here, not Hungarian. How they are constantly watering the trees. If you see, there is this steam coming up, this water steam for the trees to be fresh all the time. This over here is a statue of Gutenberg. He's the one who invented printing, book printing, and it was really important. He did it first because he wanted to be able to print the Bibles, and yeah, that's why his statue is here now. I like how there are just horses here on the street everywhere, so cute. We are going to go inside to the St. Stephen's Catholic Church. Beautiful, it's so big. I love these statues. The church was beautiful from inside, but now we just came to the other side, and oh my god, it's even more beautiful from this side. It's gorgeous. All the pillars and the little details, it is so complex and so beautiful. You can see there are little statues inside the building. See that probably the locals really like these bubble waffles. I see them everywhere where we are going. We are walking through this famous street. I heard that this is the most expensive street in whole Vienna, so it's not really good to shop here, but it's really beautiful to just walk around and see it, and I'm very happy with this weather. It's finally sunny today. Back to the shopping mall to eat. If you have seen the previous video, you know that we ate here yesterday as well, because the prices are just way better here than inside the city. And thanks God they have this traditional restaurant, so we are going there to try other traditional food from Austria. So we have our food. I ordered the Berner Würsten. It is a traditional Austrian food. And our dessert is going to be Kaiserschmarrn. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Usually you can choose between either this jam or this vanilla sauce. I'm going to have both and try both of the flavors. Very delicious. It's quite salty, so I advise you to have some water with it. It's very good with the mustard, and I like how crispy the side of it is. Now I will try the dessert. These cubes are really soft. They are not too sweet, like slightly sweet, and this jam is a plum jam. It's very good. The lunch was really delicious and sightseeing was very fun too. Now unfortunately it's time for us to go back because it will take a long bus ride to arrive back to Hungary. Now we are still going to pack our bags and I will just show you the scene, but soon it's time to return. There's a puppy. We arrived back home to Hungary. I hope you enjoyed this video. Personally, I really enjoyed this short trip to Austria. If you watched it, then please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon and let me know in the comments what you think. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!